Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Brickit. We will begin by exploring the main dashboard, which provides a clear overview of all your active projects. Next, I will show you how to access the comprehensive help documentation, offering quick answers to common questions. Finally, we will identify the primary tool palette, essential for all your building endeavors, ensuring you are ready to create. Setting up your first project is incredibly straightforward. First, click the New Project button, and your workspace will be ready in less than 30 seconds. Then, easily bring in your existing assets by simply dragging and dropping them into the designated area. Finally, we will fine-tune your project settings, ensuring everything is optimized for peak performance and the highest quality output, saving you valuable time. Now, let's dive into the heart of Brickit: building. You will learn to efficiently use the modular brick components, allowing for incredibly rapid assembly of complex structures. The snap-to-grid function ensures every element connects with perfect precision, eliminating guesswork. We will also cover how to apply a wide array of custom textures and materials, bringing your unique creations to life with vibrant detail. To truly master Brickit, let's explore some advanced features. Discover how to leverage powerful scripting options to automate repetitive tasks, significantly boosting your productivity. For team projects, I will show you how to utilize shared project spaces, enabling seamless collaboration with up to 10 team members. Lastly, we will cover exporting your magnificent creations into several popular formats, ready for sharing or further use.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.